Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see the compression. Spending another session basically on Friday, hovering around and dealing with the daily midband. As long as these sessions continue to deal with or be close to the green line, you're going to continue to see the Bollinger Bands tighten up, and you're getting this, compression phase of the market. It's been compression, but it hasn't been horrible compression. The ranges have been good. The trading's been good, so I can't really complain. Compression brings expansion, and downward expansion sometimes has head fakes. We talked about that on Friday. So what you're seeing here is this push to the upside. The bulls defended the daily midband, which is coming in about 32. They traded as low as 30 this morning. Sunday night. They popped up over the new weekly pivot, which comes in 24.38.13, and they've traded as high as 41.25. So if you're the bulls, you want to follow through. Following through means a new all-time high. If you're the bears, you really need to get below last week's low, 28. You got to break 28. You've got to convert the daily midband. You've got to keep these areas converted. You can't continue to trade down to them or below them and then, have the dip buyers come in and just take it right back. You're going to have to take a level that matters if you're the bears, and you're going to have to hold it and keep it for a couple of days. That will cause downward expansion. You've got a future here, a contract that wants to trade between the middle band and the upper band. That's been the case since May 23rd here. Every move back to the mid-band has been support. That's the dynamic that the bears have to get over. They have to reverse that dynamic, turn it into a market that wants to trade between the middle band and the lower band. That's a sell rallies market, and go from there. So as we head into Monday, the bears really have to avoid the dip buyers being able to just bleed this thing higher to new higher highs. And if they do step in, they're going to have to, make some noise. Now, the bulls are not out of the woods. As I said, it's very typical for downward expansion markets to have a big pop that then gets sold hard and followed through to the downside. Is that what's going to happen here? I have no idea. And don't let anybody else tell you that they do, because they don't. It's a situation where, in a vacuum, this market wants up. It has for the past 8 years. If we're going to get sustainable downside, there's going to be some kind of a catalyst most likely that can hold the market down. Otherwise, we're just going to get a big move down, and that move will get bought, and that's fine. That's all great trading. I tell my members all the time, don't pick a side. Don't put a jersey on. You don't need to gear up for either side. Trade what you see, respect risk, and whoever has the advantage, just be on their team. And then, be willing to abandon them instantly and join the other side. You're a trader. You're not an ideologue. You're not a confirmed member of any one particular side. They're not loyal to you. The bears and the bulls are not loyal to you as a trader. They betray you constantly. So there's no reason for you to be loyal to them if they're not performing. You want to be on the team of whoever's performing at the time. This morning, that's the bulls. So what are we doing? Well, we came in last night and we got long against 24.30. I did about 33, 34, depending on where people got in. And we wake up and we're trading in the 40s. So that's how you do it, and that's how we do it. On the hourly chart, you can see we did another weekly pivot mid-band test early morning on Friday that held high or low. Okay, despite the push down off the close. We opened Sunday night and we hold 30 again, and it's been a steady move higher ever since. Over the pre-FOMC price, over the new weekly pivot, and breaking this series of successive lower highs. We did that Friday, and we made a higher high here. So all that's left is our friend over here, 24.51.5. So Can the Bulls get there? Sure. I mean, can the Bears defend this? They can. But if they're going to defend it, they need to break this area down here and then hold it. Because the daily mid-band, you're talking about, 1 month of consistent support. So it's all about that area. Okay. Everybody have a fantastic Monday morning. I will catch everybody for the midday update. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.